Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find passwords and security. As you can see on this section we've got the fingerprint unlock, so this is the option we are looking for. Let's tap on it, and here we've got actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint, because we have to add an additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern pin or password. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to set. It is very important, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let me pick the pattern. Here we've got actually the information I just told you, so you have to remember the password. Let's tap on got it, and let me set the password. Let me redraw it and confirm. And as you can see, here we've got the information that right now we have to add our fingerprint. We can do it just by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition. Okay, and right now we have to move our finger slightly, so just put the finger and try to roll it in order to again add all of the corners. At least try. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. We can rename it right here, but we can also do it later. So just tap on done, and here we've got whole fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. As I said, we can rename it, just tap on it, and here we can add its own unique name. And I won't be very unique, I will just name it index. Confirm it with tapping on this tick icon. What's more, you can remove the fingerprint. So let me tap on it. As you can see, it immediately changes. We can also add another fingerprint if you want to, so you can unlock your device with, for example, thumb and your index. Here we've got also the recognition method, and after tapping on it, you can decide if you want to unlock your device with only touching the power button or with touching it and pressing it also. I will stick the touch because it is, I would say, more comfortable. And under it, you've got also some options for what you want. You can use the fingerprint for, so unlocking is a default option, but you can also set privacy password, app lock, or a fingerprint payments. It's really up to you. I will leave it like this because I just want to check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so actually it means that for sure we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.